Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're going to make a poached peach dessert with some tarragon and a yogurt ice cream. So, let's begin. Start by pouring 850 grams of water in a pan together with 250 grams of sugar. Now cut 2 mandarins in half and add them to the water. Also add 5 pieces of star anise and 10 pieces of cardamom. Bring this to a boil. Meanwhile, cut 4 peaches in half and twist them. Add this to the poaching liquid and also add 5 sprigs of tarragon. Cover it with parchment paper and let it poach on the simmer for 30 minutes. After that, put 50 grams of butter in a saucepan and melt it. Then put 30 grams of flour in a bowl together with 50 grams of icing sugar, 20 grams of almond powder, 50 grams of egg white and 2 grams of salt. Mix this. Now add the melted butter and mix it once more. Then mix 20 grams of almond powder with 20 grams of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of green color powder. Now spread the batter on a tuille mold. I'll put a link in the description where I bought mine. Cover this with the green almond powder and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And when it's still hot, take the tuille out of the mold. Now clean enough tarragon for 20 grams of leaves. Then pour 100 grams of apple juice in the blender and also add the tarragon leaves, 50 grams of white wine vinegar and 5 grams of agar powder. Mix this for 5 minutes. Pour this in a saucepan together with 300 grams of apple juice. Mix this and then boil it for 2 minutes. Once it has boiled, pour it in an oven dish and let it set in your fridge. Now transfer it into a blender and blender till smooth. Then put it in a piping bag. After that, pour 1 kilogram of yogurt in a bowl and also add 300 grams of white custard sugar. Mix this till smooth. Pour it in an ice cream machine and spin it till it has thickened. Then pour it in a container, cover it with plastic foil and let it set for half an hour in your freezer. Now take the peaches out of the liquid and clean them. Then cut them in slices. Also take some poaching liquid and add 30% of the total weight of olive oil. Now pour 80 grams of grounded macadamia nuts on a plateau and toast them at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now put the sliced peaches on one half of the plate and the toasted macadamia nuts on the other half. Then pipe a couple of dots of the tarragon gel on top and also 1 tablespoon of the vinaigrette and some cress. And now put a canal of yogurt ice cream on the nuts and finish it off with the tuille. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appétit!